Unlocking the beauty of nature, planting a flower bed. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and practical topic that touches the heart of gardening and English learning: planting a flower bed. Whether you're a green thumb or just love the beauty of nature, understanding this phrase enriches your English vocabulary and connects you with a delightful outdoor activity. Let's get started and unfold the layers of meaning behind planting a flower bed. Planting a flower bed is a phrase that combines two key concepts: planting and a flower bed. Planting refers to the act of placing plants, seeds, or bulbs into the ground so they can grow. A flower bed, on the other hand, is a designated area in a garden or space where flowers are grown and displayed. Together, the phrase describes the process of creating an area dedicated to growing flowers, which involves planning, preparing the soil, choosing flowers, and caring for them until they bloom. Choosing the location and design. The first step is deciding where your flower bed will go and what shape it will take. Consider the amount of sunlight the area receives and the type of soil present, as these factors significantly influence the growth and health of your flowers. Preparing the soil. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy flower bed. You'll need to dig the area to loosen the soil, remove weeds, and possibly add compost or fertilizer to enrich the soil and provide the necessary nutrients for your flowers. Selecting your flowers. Choosing flowers is perhaps the most enjoyable part. Consider the color scheme, blooming season, and height of different flowers to create a visually appealing and harmonious display. Mixing perennials with annuals ensures your flower bed remains vibrant year after year. Planting. With everything prepared, it's time to plant your flowers. Follow the spacing guidelines for each plant type, ensuring they have enough room to grow without overcrowding. Water them thoroughly after planting to help settle the soil around the roots. After planting, your flower bed will need regular watering, especially during dry periods. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and keeps weeds at bay. As your flowers grow, be vigilant about removing weeds and deadheading spent blooms to encourage more flowers to develop. Planting a flower bed is more than just a gardening activity. It's an art that brings beauty to your surroundings and joy to your heart. We hope this video not only helps you understand the phrase, planting a flower bed, but also inspires you to start your flower bed, enriching both your garden and your English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy gardening and happy learning!